Hi guys, welcome back to 99 Million channel, a must visit store. Today I'm going to give you a very comprehensive video about this 4-in-1 table that we have right here. So let me talk about the material, build quality and usage in this video. So let's talk about the build quality of this product. So this complete table is made up of imported MDF board. It also has a protective covering at the edges and the boundaries. It comes with the chrome edges also. You can see it looks very nice and it has a very smooth and premium green mat over it. It also comes with the full size cues. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a pro, you can always come and enjoy the pool table. So once you are done playing the pool game, simply take the balls and keep it in the ball holder. And you can place your cues in the cue holder. If you need to switch it to the air hockey, all you need to do is to release these locks. 1, 2 and 2 are over there. So here are the 2 other locks. So once they are unlocked, all you need to do is just rotate it and this will be your air hockey again. Now once it's flipped, again you have to lock these. Simple. So once this table is set up, all you need to do is to connect it with the power socket. So bring out the wire and you can connect it in any of the power sockets and switch it on. So once the table is set up, simply take out the strikers and you can place it and you can play the game. And also it has a scorekeeper over here to track your points. गाइज एयर हॉकी के लिए आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं इसको लेट नाइट में इन द फार्म हाउस विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. एंड इफ यू आर डन विद द एयर हॉकी, आप इसको बना दीजिए पिंग पोंग टेबल. लेट मी शो यू राइट नाउ. नाउ इफ यू नीड टू प्ले द पिंग पोंग गेम, सिंपली प्लेस दिस ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द टेबल and you have to connect the net in the between and you can start playing your game. Now if you want to enjoy a ping pong game, you can definitely come and play with your friends and it will give you a very good amount of workout as well. And if this ping pong table is not in use, you can simply flip it and it will be your office table. Let me show you right now. So this is the board. All you need to do is just simply flip it to 180 degree and this is your normal office table. So if you need more information about this product, you can visit our website or give us a call on the number and you can get in touch with our team. And if you love the product guys, simply like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.